Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start the topic of data types. Data types are the classification or categorization of data items. It represents the kinds of value that tell what operation can performed on particular data. Okay, do you know the data? Data is the collection of raw and facts. Okay, here I am discuss about Python data types. Data types are the classification. It is the classification. It is the categorization of data items. It represents the kinds of value. It represents the kinds of value. Okay, and like different types of value that tell what operation can be performed on particular data. Okay, like int. Okay, like int, integer value, you have integer value, you have string value. Data types tell what operation can performed string or int value. Okay, it is data types. So I hope you have learned what is data types. So to here discuss about data types here: numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence. Okay, numeric, the three types is integer, float, complex, string, list and tuple. Okay, next one by one I have discussed about integer. What is integer? Firstly, okay, it is the inbuilt data type int. Okay, type int, it is used to store the whole number. Okay, it is stored whole number, and int represents the number without any decimal or fractional part. Okay, it represent without any decimal or fractional part. Okay, next, floating points. Type float, number with a decimal point. Okay, floating, it is inbuilt data types. It store decimal fractional numbers like 2.3 minus 4.6. Okay, and 100.0, etc. Next, string type str, short str. Once again, string str, ordered sequence of characters, hello, semi, 2000. Okay, string, that means it store the name, message, sentence, password and any textual data. Okay, list. Next, list. Okay, type list, ordered sequence of object, 10, hello, 200.3. that means it is inbuilt data type. Okay, it is ordered mutable collection of element. It elements are written inside square. Okay, square brackets and separated by commas. Okay, next, dictionary. Type dic, unordered key, value pair. Okay, myky, colon, value, comma, inverted comma, name, Frankie. Okay, it is an unordered mutable collection of where each key is linked to value. Okay, it is written using curly brace, here curly brace with the format colon. Okay, and value. Next, tuple. tup, type order immutable sequence object, 10, hello, 200.3. Okay, tuple is inbuilt data types. It is an ordered and immutable, that means unchangeable collection of elements. It is written inside round brackets. Okay, it is written inside round brackets separated by comma. Set is an unordered mutable collection. Okay, mutable, that means Mutable, that means changeable. Okay, you can change the data. Okay, it is written inside curly brace here, like curly brace. Okay, curly brace and separated by comma. And next, boolean, bool, type bool, logical value indicating the true or false, indicate the true and false. Okay, so I hope you have understand data types of Python. Next topic, variable. Do you know the variable? Everybody know the variable. Listen the name of variable. Variable is a named location which is used to store data in the memory. It is help to think variable as container that hold data which can change later through programming. Python dynamic typing language, as variable can be defined at the runtime. Also variable can declared at time of assignment. Variable is a name location. It is location to store data or value. It is the location of computer memory that hold the data or values. Okay, so you have keep in mind the definition of variable. Variable is location of computer memory. It store data or values. Clears? It is containers. Python is called dynamic typing language. Variable can be defined the runtimes. You can define the variable in runtime. That means you run your programs, you can define the variable. Okay, variable can be declared at the time of assignments. Okay, whenever required to assign, you can declare the variable. Like example, a equal to 10, that means 10 assign a. Okay, b equal to 2.1, that means 2.1 assign b. c equal to n. Okay, and d equal to hello words, n hello words assign d. Here we have create the four variable name a, b, c, d assigned with the value 10, 2.1, n and hello words respectively. You can think variable container store things, and store things can be replaced at any times. You can replace any times. So once again you have keep in mind, variable is location. It can hold data or value. Okay, so I hope you have understand what is variable, what is the use of variable. Next topic, here example, a assigned 10, a assigned 20. Initially the value of variable a was 10, later it's the change 20. Okay, so next, Python keywords. Python has a set of keywords that are reserved words and has special meanings. They cannot be used as variable name, function name, or any identifier. Some of keyword are as follows. So everybody keep in mind, all programming languages have different kinds of keywords. Okay, Python also have a keyword. Python keyword has are reserved words. That means you cannot change this type of keywords. Okay, Python has a set of keywords that are reserved. It is the reserved words, has a special meaning. They cannot they cannot be used as variable. You cannot define the variable name, function name and other identifier. Okay, you cannot declare in any programs of keyword name. Okay, so I hope you have learned and understood what is Python keywords. Keywords is a reserved words, has a special meaning. You cannot used as variable name. You cannot declare the variable name, function name and other identifiers. So I hope you have learned. Python latest version has a 35 keywords, but here is 33. Okay, keywords like false, none, true, and, as, assert, break. Okay, here the different keywords given here. So next topic, Python comments. Comments in Python. In Python, comments are used to explain code and ignored by the interpreter. There are two type of comments. Do you know the comments? Okay, comments are used to explain codes. Require the comments, you write the programs. Okay, so you can give which type of programs and which is programmer. Okay, so you can write, you can explain the code of Pythons. There are two types of comments. Single line comments use hash symbol, everything after the hash, the same line consider as comments. Example, hash, this is the single line comments. Okay, that means you have write the codes, you can declare I am written programs. You can do any activity or any project in Python, you declare the it is the this it is programs, it is multiplication two numbers programs. Okay, you can print table of 10 in Python, so you can declare the comments. Next, multi-line comments using the triple quotes, block comments. Okay, like example here given here, triple quotes, this is the multi-lines comments, it is span multiple lines. Okay, so I hope you have learned about comments in Pythons. Okay, what is the need of Pythons here? Okay, so next, Python operators. Operator are special symbol in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that get separated on called an operand. For example, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here 2 and 3 are operand and the symbol plus known as the operators. So you have studied in any programming language operators. Okay, so do you know the operators? In a 2 plus third 3 equal to 5. 2 that means operand and plus is operator and 3 is operand equal to 5. Okay, here plus is operators. Different kinds of plus, minus, subtraction, division. It is the categories of operators. Here I am discuss about there are various type of operator used Python. Some them are listed here: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator. Okay, so one by one discuss about the operators.